Hi, my name is Erin Keeney, and I'm the course coordinator for Math Perspectives. There's good news. The new Small Group Intervention Task Kit is now available. Please email info@mathperspectives.com for a quote. The tasks in this kit are based on the Developing Number Concept series by Kathy Richardson. There are 64 tasks providing instruction that target students in grades K through 5 who need additional support. These sets of tasks are designed so they can be used by teachers, interventionists, and paraprofessionals. There are 8 sets of tasks that are based on the following foundational concepts: counting and cardinality, comparing, addition and subtraction to 10, addition and subtraction to 20, place value, 2-digit addition and subtraction, multiplication, and division. No matter which math curriculum you are using in the classroom, these intervention kits will complement your math instruction. Each comes with enough materials to be used with 4 to 6 students at one time. Each of the 8 concepts feature cards with information about the tasks, goals for the students when using these tasks, materials needed, working with the tasks, and questions to engage students in thinking. The kit was developed by Dolphin and Kathy Richardson, based on the Developing Number Concept series. In the DNC activity card kits, there includes materials for independent student activities. The Small Group Intervention Task Kit is based on teacher-directed activities from the 3 DNC books. Further information, including additional tasks, content knowledge for teachers, how students learn mathematics, and how to determine which differentiated tasks students would benefit from based on their specific needs, can be found in these books. When you get your kit, it is conveniently packaged in a carrying case where the intervention support tasks are organized by concept rather than by grade level. Everything you need for these 64 tasks are included and are already set up to use. Provided in the kit are game boards, spinners and dice, directions for each task, questions to engage students in thinking, and ways to meet a range of student needs. Not included are simple materials that typically can be found in the classroom, such as Unifix cubes, whiteboards, paper, etc. Students' first experiences with numbers influence the way they approach mathematics for the rest of their lives. They will benefit from and will be able to build on their early experiences if they learn mathematics in a way that makes sense to them. The tasks in this series were designed to help students build a mathematics foundation that will serve them throughout their educational career. Develop an understanding of concepts through experiences with real things and use symbols as descriptions of what happens. Engage in planned and focused math tasks that are at their edge of understanding. Deepen their conceptual understanding by engaging in tasks that have value in being repeated many times. 1 or 2 of the activities for a concept can be done during a 10 to 15 minute instructional period. Each day, do 1 or 2 familiar activities with the students and introduce 1 or 2 new ones. When all the activities are familiar to the students, choose from any of them. There is no particular sequence that should be followed. Each task should be repeated many, many times. Only after students know how to do a particular task will they be able to focus on the concept the activity is designed to teach. The activities can be played at a variety of levels simply by changing the size of the numbers. Students will be challenged until they know answers without needing to use models or count to find the answers. Even with much repetition, students' interest will be maintained if you provide a variety of activities and if the size of the number being worked with is appropriate. The small group intervention kits will be a great resource in your classroom with interventionists, paraprofessionals, or volunteers. Be sure to email info@mathperspectives.com for a quote today. Math Perspectives provides professional development for educators of grades pre-K through 5 mathematics. Our instructor team is made up of highly qualified classroom teachers who have used our materials and practices with students in their own classrooms. A link is provided below for our professional development offerings. Booking a course is as easy as calling us at 360-715-2782 or emailing info@mathperspectives.com. Kathy Richardson, one of the nation's leading educators of elementary mathematics, is the primary author of the books used in our courses. These books provide teachers with the information they need to understand how children learn mathematics. Kathy has developed assessments that help uncover what students truly know so that teachers can provide them with meaningful experiences in a safe learning environment that helps ensure the success of all students.